Explosive WhatsApp messages have revealed that attempted murder accused Vusimuzi Matlala allegedly shared a strictly confidential document containing President Cyril Ramaphosa's personal details with the KwaZulu-Natal head of the Hawks, Major General Lesetja Sinona. This was revealed on Tuesday at the Matlanga Commission by evidence leader advocate Adila Hassim, who was reading from the testimony of a protected witness known as Witness X. According to Hassim, the information was retrieved from Matlala's cell phone following his arrest for allegedly ordering a hit on his ex-girlfriend, actress Deboho Tubijane. Hassim told the commission that on April 13, 2025, Mr. Matlala forwarded 3 documents to Major General Sinona. One was the result of a LexisNexis search on the Senzo and Tembeka Mchunu Foundation. Another was a document titled MemoBiz Traces to April 2020, which contained information linked to what appears to be multiple identity numbers for President Cyril Ramaphosa. The confidential memo reportedly included recommendations for the destruction of company and SARS records, as well as a computer mainframe files containing sensitive information. It further advised that a bank account linked to the disputed identity documents be closed except for one common identity number, which was redacted in the evidence presented. Hassim said the motive behind Matlala forwarding the documents to Sinona remains unclear. Witness X, whose testimony continues behind closed doors, said the communication forms part of a series of WhatsApp chats between Matlala and Sinona from December 22, 2024 to May 14, 2025. The messages allegedly demonstrate a beneficial relationship between the accused and the senior Hawks official, Sinona's efforts to shield Matlala from criminal exposure, and the exchange of confidential institutional information. Witness X took over the testimony previously led by Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, the suspended Divisional Commissioner of Crime Intelligence, who fell ill during proceedings earlier this month. The Matlanga Commission, chaired by Justice Mboiseni Matlanga, is investigating criminality, corruption, and political interference within South Africa's criminal justice system. As the revelations pile up, the inquiry appears poised to expose a network of deep collusion between alleged criminals and high-ranking law enforcement officials, striking at the heart of the state's credibility. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.